Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. In today's video, I am going to make two DIYs. First one is a wall hanging. Nowadays, this type of handmade plate wall hanging is trending. So, I thought why not to make a plate wall hanging using our traditional miniature painting. So our first DIY is a traditional wall hanging. Second one is a metal tin case. These type of hand painted tin cases are also trending. It look very beautiful and elegant. Okay, let's start the video. For the first DIY, here I am using a plastic plate. These plates are lightweight, so I am using these. If you don't have these types, you can use ceramic or any other type of plates. With that, some 3D outliner. How to make 3D outliner is also shown in my previous video. Link is in description box. Some stone of different colors. This is a decoupage transfer sheet which I buy from Itsy Bitsy art store. If you don't have these types of sheets, you can take printout of these type of painting. That will also give the same effect as the decoupage transfer sheet. So I am going to cut the center part in the circle shape and paste the sheet with FEVICOL. Apply a thick layer of FEVICOL and paste the sheet. After pasting the paper, apply a thin layer of FEVICOL on the top of the paper. Apply 2 thin layers of FEVICOL. This process makes the paper waterproof and durable. Decoupage is an art of decorating an object by gluing color paper cut out on it, with combination with gold leaf or with special color paint. Apply acrylic lemon yellow to the background. Enhance the design with lotus flower. You can use pink color or magenta color. I will extend the design to the yellow part. Outline the design with black color. Give outline to the figure also. Here I am using 000 brush for outlining. Crimson red and burnt sienna in equal quantity for outer frame. For the border, there is already some leaf design. I will enhance the design by using golden acrylic color, and then when the golden color is dried up properly, I will use red and green glass color. Use a drop of glass color. You should not have to cover the full leaves. Paste some different color stone on jewelry part. and for the dupatta I use golden stones. Make some more golden leaf and connect these leaves with line. Outline all the design with black color. Using golden color for the inner circle. Connect all the design with acrylic black color outline. Finally, complete the craft with clear coat of varnish. Okay friends, this craft is ready. Isn't it look beautiful? This is easy to make. Those who don't know painting technique can also do this craft. Decoupage technique can be used in wooden planks and for many Jaroka paintings also. You can make 4-5 plates in this way and hang them beside each other in a particular wall. It looks beautiful. As I said in all my videos, these are just ideas. You can create your own art pieces with your own color choices. I am just showing how different types of material can be reused to make beautiful craft. I use green 3D outliner for the dots in the dupatta. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to our channel and press the notification button. For the next DIY, here I am using a tin case. I already gave 2 layers of white acrylic color coating to the tin. First, for the lid part, I already made some circle. Following that, I will do some design. You can trace the design using carbon paper. There are many mandala designs you can follow. For the coloring part, I use 3D outliner and acrylic color. I use lemon yellow, green, cobalt blue, red, teal color. For the dotting part, you can use any empty refill or a wooden pencil. Cover the background with cobalt blue color. For the base part, I gave minimal design following the same pattern as the lid using 3D outliner and acrylic color. After all the colors are dried up properly, give a outline with acrylic black color. Finally, give a clear coat of varnish. Our craft is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Thank you for watching.